I got my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I know everybody is going on about 17 Pro Max, but I cannot be asked for the weight and all. Plus, I don't see a big difference between iPhone 17 Pro Max apart from the design that makes me want iPhone 17 Pro Max. I actually think really hard because there's no point of me paying for extra just for design. Anyways, let's unbox with me. I just received it literally about 5 minutes ago, and I'm really excited. By the way, there's Miss Rachel playing because your nephew is watching TV, and yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. I'll go through some contract because yeah, I think it's better for me, anyways. So I got a few things on here. I am so excited. I cannot wait. Okay, that's everything. So first I bought this JLab um AirPod from them. He said they have 35 plus hours. Um, I thought I would give it a go because I have Apple, but I wanted to give that a go. And I also got a power adapter from them for like £20. So yeah, that AirPod I heard they said is good. Actually, let's open it. What kind of unboxing is this? But I think charger, you guys already know what it looks like, you know? So I'm excited to use this AirPod as well as my phone. My okay, this is cute. This is in lilac color. I cannot wait to use my iPhone 16 Pro Max because right now what I'm using is iPhone 12 Pro Max. It comes in with the protection. That one I'll do that one later. Also got clear case, so cute. Let's open it. This is the case. Now the moment of truth, which is the phone. Oh my god, I got it in natural titanium. I think that's what you call it. And I got the 512 gigabytes. The moment everybody loves is this one. So let's do it. Did you get that? You get another chance. Listen. Closely, Miss Rachel. Shh, please. Okay. I don't care really about this noise and stuff. I just want to get my phone. So pretty! Because my iPhone 12 Pro Max is already giving me issue. It comes in with charger and the SIM card thingy. Yeah, it doesn't have charger here. That's why I bought this one. But this is the iPhone. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's freezing. Yes. I cannot wait to create content with this. Let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Let's put the case. It's freezing though. It's cold. It's really, really cold. Let's put the case. Cute. Cute. It's big. It feels really huge in my hand. I can't wait to put screen protector. I guess I'm going to do it because I don't know how to really put screen protector on this. They're saying hello. I'm gonna set this up later, but I thought I would show you guys. I'm in love with my 16 Pro Max. What do you guys think? And if you have iPhone 17 Pro Max, is it worth it? Let me know in the comment section. But for me, I love my 16 Pro Max. Thank you for watching. Bye. Gotta go and take care of myself. See ya.